Yeah, in this video, we are going to see about Helpdesk, which is very friendly and easily to use. This is developed with the help of Google Cloud Platform and Google App Script. So it will help us to uh, cover our business needs in all the way. So let us see the short information about this product. Then we will see the demo at the end. Thank you.
KonjamHELP's priority-based SLA monitoring and auto-escalation ensure timely resolution of critical issues. Auto-assignment of requests to the right service team guarantees faster and more efficient resolution. ML-driven checks proactively reduce repetitive requests, saving time and resources. KonjamHELP can be set up and deployed within a single business day, minimizing disruption to your operations. KonjamHELP's knowledge base articles and training videos empower users, reducing the need for support and saving valuable time. NLP-based sentiment analysis provides valuable insights into the emotions behind requests, enabling agents to respond empathetically. KonjamHELP's integration with SAP plant maintenance streamlines processes, ensuring seamless communication and efficient resolution. OTP for job completion adds an extra layer of security and accountability. KonjamHELP's comprehensive management of overtime and trip allowances ensures fair compensation for field service teams. KonjamHELP's extensive reports and dashboards provide valuable insights for data-driven decision-making. Now, let's explore the tangible benefits of implementing KonjamHELP. Experience a significant improvement in service quality, ensuring higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. KonjamHELP optimizes resource allocation, leading to reduced support costs and increased efficiency. Empower users with self-service capabilities, resulting in increased satisfaction and engagement. KonjamHELP is the ultimate solution for modern service delivery, revolutionizing the way you interact with your customers. Embrace KonjamHELP and unlock the potential for exceptional service delivery. The future is here.
In this video, we are going to see about the flow of this system. Here, this is the login screen. Here we can use username and password or single sign-on options. Now we will set enter username and password and sign in. Yes, now login is loaded as a landing page. In this landing page, we can see the role. Here it will show all the list of roles the user have permission to use the system. Requester, agent, admin. So requester means who will create only the request. Agent means who will going to take action for the request. Admin means who will take care of the system. They can have permission to see all these pages and do the master management data to handle for the whole company. Here you can see the work locations based on this. For example, I am assigned in this work location. Based on these work locations, the ticket will created. The if this work location assigned to the agent, they can handle that request based on the teams. Here this is the user profile. Here we can change the password. Here we can see the basic information about the users. Then we can see the recent activities here. Then we can see the user details here. Then we can see the preference, how we need to set the notifications and how which role need to be default. So if we set the any roles default here, based on this role the system will be behave. Here now we will see. So now in this landing page we can see the chart. When you click this chart we can see the detail of the ticket in small chart, small embedded chart. For example, this here we can see the chart based on the status. Here we can see based on the module category and subcategory. So filter options to filter the ticket based on this filter options. So based on the tickets, keyword, based on any keyword we can see the related tickets. Here is the ML stuffs ML model we created from scratch and embedded here. So the sentiment analysis, when you select the negative and search, it will bring all the negative related um, tickets. If positive means positive related tickets will be search and come. So we can select and search the related tickets. So how we can create the new tickets? When I click this new tickets to load. Here we can see in this page, we can see the request created by me and my work location colleagues. Here we have the modules. When you select the SAP modules, we can see the related categories. For example, vendor. When you collect the category, we can see related subcategories. Here, when you select the subcategory, here we can see the related incident. For example, I will receiving material as an system error. So when I select this one, we can see the quick help to fix these issues the by user itself. Here, the chatbot will. These are the predefined questions related with this incident. So the system will ask the questions, and based on the options we selected, you will ask the questions. Still, if the system not able to satisfy you to clear that issues, clear the requirement, it will allow you to create the tickets. Before going to create the tickets, it will ask to enter some mandatory answer questions. So yes, did you try to restore the SAP? Yes, I try to restore the SAP, but still I face issues. So in these things, system can't able to help. So I will create the ticket. So and then next, when you go to the next, here we will enter the discussion. I description, I have issues in the help desk. So here we enter description. Here we can enter the numbers and select the priority and add the attachment, then submit. Once we submit, the ticket will appear here. So after that, the ticket will be assigned to agent. Once we select this agent role, we can see all the ticket assigned with that agent. So for example, this is the tickets we created myself. So we can see the detail of the ticket. We can use these options to open the new tab, and also we can see here we can see the ticket details like who is reporter, work locations, module, category, subcategory, issues. Here we can see the details needed to solve these issues. Then we can see the description, contact number. We can use this number to contact the request. For example, I complete the ticket. When I select here, solve, okay, solve, waiting for user feedback. So I will enter the description. Yes, done. Okay, and we can add the if anything article need to show to the user, we can add here. We can add the attachment and submit. Once we submitted, the ticket will be closed. Now this ticket already closed, so I can't able to do the actions now. So for example, the ticket action happened before 11 hours. So actions created by herfi 1 ton 200, then assign with the one agent, then agent will take the actions and close the ticket. So this is the flow how the action will take care for the each request. So here we can see the gap, how much minutes it take to solve the ticket. Here we can see all the histories um, of this work locations. If anything available, you can see from here. When you go here in this side menu, we can see the company. In this company, we can see this is the screen to create the company and its domain. Here we can see the role. role and its pages permission. So based on this, for this role, we will assign the pages based on this permission. This page will be appear for the user. Then we will create the business unit here. Then we will see the work locations here, company and business unit. Then and we will create the users. We will add the related informations here and here modules. In this modules you will create the name, work locations, company, then everything you will add. Then he will create the categories here. Based on the modules, the category will be drilled down. Here we can see create the subcategory. Based on the subcategory category, we will subcategory will drill down. So we will add, so that by default we will add some questions for the subcategory. Then in this actions, we will create this action. These actions will appear in the ticket action page. So based on this filter, the action will appear in the for the users for to do any actions. So the root causes, these root causes will be added. So when the agent will close the ticket, he need to set the root causes for the ticket. Here we can create the priority, and also here we will create the team here. For example, OTP means when you create the company, anything like this. For example, the eligible for OT or eligible for overtime. So we will add here. Then we will assign the team member for the creator service team. For service team, we can add the users here. For example, if I for this team, I can assign this guy as team members. So he will responsible for any ticket assigned inside within this team. So here we will create the we will assign the filters for the team. So whoever assigned within this team, so their ticket will assign